Hi, I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom. Hey, do you ever have problems with your children squabbling and quarreling during dinner, and you wish dinner could be a calm, nice experience like you think the whole rest of the world has? A lot of kids are very noisy and distracted, and things are going on, and they don't even appreciate all the work you've gone to give them dinner. Here's the solution: candlelight. Just light some candles, turn out the other lights, and you will be amazed. The volume in your house will drop, softer voices will be used, people won't be as keyed up. There's something relaxing about the glow of a candle. You might want to continue it forever as a tradition, and your kids will grow up saying, well, my mom always had a seat by candlelight. Who knows? Anyway, give it a try and see if it brings some peace and unity to your dinner table. I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom. Scroll through my channel and subscribe and tell your friends to subscribe. And we'll see you next time.